Hi there, students. Hark. To hark back. To hearken back. To hark back to. And also the idiom, hark at him. Okay, so firstly, hark means you're telling somebody to listen. You use it to tell somebody to listen. Hark, I hear distant singing. Hark the herald angels sing. Okay, there you go, in a carol. Okay, so hark means listen to that. Hark, I hear him coming. It's probably a little bit old-fashioned, yeah? Listen attentively. Okay, so to hark back, to have something or an origin, or to remind somebody of something from the past, to recall or to evoke. So this song harks back to the ragtime music of Scott Joplin. Okay, to hark back, to make somebody remember or discuss some sort of past event. Okay, so this film harks back to the early black and white films. Yeah, it makes us remember. Yeah, it harks back to. If somebody harks back to something, they talk about it again, sometimes in a bit of an annoying way. He's always harking back to his terrible childhood. Yeah, he's always going back to the past. If also, though, to hark back to be similar to, his current attitude harks back to some childhood state. It's reminiscent of, yeah. So to hark back, to mention or remember something from the past. These paintings hark back to the early paintings of Picasso, for example. To hark back to, it means something similar or takes it as a model. So this architectural design harks back to the Georgian era. Yeah, or people could hark back to something in the past. They remember it, or this reminds somebody of it. Now, hearken back. You can also use hearken back to. He's always hearkening back to his childhood, remembering us and telling us about it. This style harkens back to his earlier style. Now, there are some people who are not very happy about hark back or hearken back, but I think they're probably both quite usable without any problem. Okay, and then the final one, hark at him, hark at him. Okay, this is saying that somebody has said something or has just accused you of something that you think that person is guilty of. Hark at him calling me lazy. Yeah, he's the lazy one. Yeah, hark at him, hark at the pot calling the kettle black. There you go, the idiom goes with hark at him. Hark at her accusing us of being mean, the person who never buys around. Okay, so hark at that, hark at somebody. This is, I think, humorous, and maybe it probably was a little more common in the past. So you're making a joke. Yeah, he just accused me of never buying around. Hark at him. I'm saying he's the one who never buys around. So let's go back through this. Hark, listen. Hark the herald angels sing. Listen attentively. Hark my words. Listen to my words. This is pretty archaic, though. To hark back. Okay, to return to where you have previously been, to retrace your steps. They actually use hark back in hunting, yeah, to go back to the place where the dogs lost the scent of the animal they're hunting. And then this is where it figuratively goes to, meaning to allude or return to a subject previously mentioned. Yeah, this harks back to what I was talking about last night, or to evoke or remind us of something from a past era. This food harks back to Victorian times. It harkens back to Victorian times. Okay, he's always harking back to his past. He's always going on about it. And then hark at him. He's the one who's just accused me of something, but he's the one who's really guilty. So let's see. Hark my words. Old-fashioned. 7 informality. To hark back. I think 6.6 informality. You could use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal writing. Maybe in very formally, no. This harks back to a bygone age. Yeah, definitely use that in a semi-formal writing as well. And then hark at him, this is informal, for informality, but it sounds like a joke, okay? So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hark. Hark back. Hark at him. Hearken back. Hark back to.